How do we use the Screencast-O-Matic application? The first step, we have to go to https://screencast-o-matic.com and click on the Start Recording for free. And the next step, we click on the launch free recording option. The third step are this pop-up window might appear when we try to launch the recorder. If it does, click on Open Screen Recorder Launcher V2. But if we don't want this window appear again, check the box that say always open these types of link of the associated app. Then edit the setting for recording method, size, and narration. The size can be adjusted to 418 pixels, and the window on our computer that was active or our full screen, the size about 1018 pixels. Or we can adjust which microphone to use for the narration, or we can turn it off if we didn't want to use it. So after that, select Preference to set hotkeys for various commands. When have done with the setting, and click the close button. For this information, maximal time and computer audio for recording cannot be changed in the free version. The next step is we want to adjust the area being recorded. To manually change the size of the recording window, click and drag the wen handle on the corner or side of the frame. To change the location for the recording window, click and drag the central row. So we start recording. Click the record button to start recording your screen. After that, click and drag the black playback bar to move the window as it is recording. Then click pause button to temporarily stop recording. After the finish recording, resume the record. Click the record button. And to preview our recording, click the play button. So to jump to the next or previous point, we can pause the recording with click the next or previous row. And to clear the recording start and to clear the recording and start over, click the trans button. So finally, the ending of all steps, we can ready to save our recording, then click done. Thank you.